In this video, I show you how to fix video quality unavailable problem on YouTube. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search YouTube, up to date your YouTube app if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search YouTube, tap on YouTube, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open YouTube app. Hello. Now click on your profile icon. Now click on settings. Now click on video quality preference. Tap on it higher picture quality. Tap on it higher picture quality. Now play any video. Now click on settings. Click on quality. You can see that quality option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.